Sum is very simple. You know that the formula I told you yesterday, that is there is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And you can apply this one formula. If your last term should be given to you, then you can apply another one also, 5.275. Okay. Yeah, in between, if you have any problem, just 1 minute. So this is your formula, and you know that you must have this value of this n, a, and d. Then you can find the sum of 11 terms. So here I am finding the sum of 11 terms is what is your, I mean, how many terms are there? आपको total 11 terms की sum find करनी है. Like this is your first term, second term, third term. So ऐसे ही आपको 11 terms की अगर find करनी होगी sum, so आप कैसे find किया? आप इनको add तो नहीं करोगे. So there is some particular formula, and with the help of this we can reach out at our answer. So what is your n? 11 upon 2. This is your n, right? So you can write here n is your 11. What is your a? 1 upon 15. And what is your d? D is a succeeding term minus preceding term. So you can take this one also. So a2 minus a1 I am doing. 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15. Venkatesh, please don't share any screen here. So what is the LCM of 12 and 15?
60.
60. So 12 5 is 60 and 15 4 is 60. It means 1 upon 60 is your difference, right? So here you can put up all the formulas, so all the value of this variable. So 2 into 1 upon 15 plus n minus 1, 11 minus 1 you can write, and d is your 1 upon 60. So this you have to calculate this value. अगर आप complete इसको calculate करोगे, I'm calculating this one, this question. So 11 upon 2 you can write as 2 upon 15 plus 10 into 1 upon 16. You know that in bracket firstly you have to solve this bracket. So 0 0 cancel. This bracket you have 2 upon 15, 1 upon 6. Now you tell me what is the LCM of 15 and 6?
30.
So this is 30, 15 2 is 30 and 6 5 is 30, right? You have to calculate. जब भी आपको sum find करनी है, so like आपको first question इसी तरह करनी है. So this is 7 upon 30. What's your answer? 7 upon 77 upon 60. Okay. So this is how you will find question number first. So when you have to find the sum of the following given APs and the terms are given, A and D are given, then with the help of this formula you can find out. Second question is also same, but it is slightly different from first because the question is, second question I'm telling you, 34 plus 32 plus 30 dot 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 till 10. I mean you have to find the sum of this till this 10, okay, till this number last term. So here you don't have any n, value of आपकी n given नहीं है, but इसकी sum find करनी है. So this is your last term, you can take here, right? Complete आप ले सकते हो. What is your a? A is your 34, and what is your common difference? Tell me please, common difference आपकी क्या है?
-2.
Minus 2, exactly. 30 minus 32, that is minus 2 you will get. 32 minus 34, again you will get minus 2. So your common difference is minus 2. And what is your last term? This is your an, because this is your last term. आपकी last term till 10 तक आपको इसकी sum find करनी है. So you will assume in this question there will be not any last term, but in this question your last term is given. So this you can assume as an, and an is your 10. So in this question, firstly you will find value of this n, because without finding number of terms, how could you find the sum of this AP? Okay, so for finding this m, n फाइंड करने के लिए आपको कौन सी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करनी होगी? an. So as we know that last term equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is given, which is 10. What is your a? A is 34 plus n minus 1 and your d is minus 2, right? 10 minus 34 I have transposed, plus n minus 1 into minus 2. Here it gives you minus 24 and minus 1, and इस 2 को आप transpose करोगे left hand side, it will change into division. So this minus minus cancel, 12. 12 equals to n minus 1. So what is the value of n now? Your value of n is 13, right? So after getting the value of this n, now you can find out the sum of this complete AP. So sum of this AP will be your अब आप S13 फाइंड कर सकते हो उस n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d with the help of this formula, or you can apply this one formula which I told you, like a plus an. This also you can apply. Why I am saying this? Because your an is your last term is given, so with the help of this formula you can directly find out. आपको इतनी completely calculation नहीं करनी होगी. 13 upon 2, your a is 34 and your what is your last term? You know that your last term is 10. So you can place this value. Actually मैंने इसको कैलकुलेशन को थोड़ा शॉर्ट करने के लिए मैंने ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करा, अदरवाइज इस फॉर्मूले के थ्रू भी आप फाइंड कर सकते हो. सो 13 upon 2 and 34 plus 10, 44. So your answer is 13 into 22. इसको कैलकुलेट करोगे, this is your answer.
286.
Yeah, so this is your question number second. So I hope question number second and first में difference समझ में आ गए होंगे. First में उसकी last term given नहीं थी, sum find करने को कहा, and उसकी number of terms, I mean everything was given there. But in this question, last term is given, number of terms is not given. So first we have to find number of terms, okay, and then we will apply the sum formula. Now, question number third. Fourth, 8, okay. Question number third, fourth I'm saying. A3 is given 15. S10 is given 125. And what you have to find? D and A10. This is your question number third, fourth I'm taking because Chris has asked this question. Question number 4. Okay, Muskan. Question number 4 also I will discuss with you. मैं जिसकी भी जो भी अभी queries हैं, all questions we will discuss here. So here A3 is given 15, S10 is 125. So A3 you can write this A plus 2D equals to 15. This is your first equation. Similarly, S10 is given. So if S10 is given, how could you write this? S10 equals to 125. S10 means n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. So 9d equals to 15. Sorry, 125. So here 2a plus 9d equals to 125. I transpose this to right hand side. So 2 upon 10. You can write this here. अगर आप इसको लिखना चाहोगे तो किस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हो? And 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So what is your equation? Second one equation. It is 2a plus 9d equals to 25. This is your second equation. So you have first and second equation, and by elimination or substitution method, you will find here a. Okay, a की value find करोगे and d की value find करोगे, right? A and D की जब वैल्यू फाइंड हो जाएगी आपकी, देन आपको क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? D. What is the value of D? So obviously जो आप D फाइंड करोगे, that is the value of D. And A10 you know that A plus 9D. So you have now with the help of this equation you have this value of A as well as this D. So you will put both the value here and you can find out number of 10 terms. Is this clear, Kasas? Kasas, I'm asking, is this clear question?
Hello.
Okay. Now, the same question, part 8, I'm discussing. AN is 4, B is 2, SN is minus 14, and you have to find in this question M and A. Okay, आपको A बतानी है और M बतानी है. So what is given? Firstly, आपको देखनी given क्या है and how can we find this? So AN is given, B is given, SN is given. Okay, AN is given. It means you can write here A plus N minus 1 into D, which is 4, right? And here D is given. D की value given है. तो आप D की value आप put कर सकते हो. तो this is the value of AN. अगर मैं SN भी apply करूँ तो SN का formula आप क्या लिखते हो? N upon 2. This is your A plus AN. Okay, आप ये formula लिखते हो. तो SN की value given है 14. N is not given, so you can write this N. And A is also not given. Okay, I'm writing this A, but AN is given 4. Here आपको या तो आपको N चाहिए या तो A चाहिए. So with the help of this formula, you can find out. Here A I'm writing. Now N minus 1. So N minus 1, N is not given. D आपकी कितनी है? 2 equals to 4. You see, here it is making an equation in terms of A and N. And it is here also, ये भी इस टर्म में फाइंड होगा इक्वेशन A and N. तो इन दोनों को आप सॉल्व करोगे एंड इन दोनों को सॉल्व करने के बाद जो इक्वेशन बनेगी जो A और N की वैल्यू फाइंड करोगे तो आपकी ये दोनों फाइंड हो जाएगी. दीक्षा, इज इट क्लियर? क्या मैं इसको सॉल्व करके बताऊं?
No, ma'am.
What I'm telling here, this makes a form equation. See, A plus, now I'm writing this 2n minus this 2n minus 2 equals to 4. Okay, so A plus 2n equals to, you can write 6. आप इसको फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बना सकते हो. सिमिलरली आप इस साइड भी ऐसे इक्वेशन बना सकते हो और दोनों को सॉल्व करोगे. अगर मैं इसको बनाऊंगी तो 14 2 28 एंड दिस इज, अगर इसमें आप बनाओगे तो यहाँ से आप क्या फाइंड कर सकते हो? या तो n की वैल्यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ, just 1 minute, I'm solving this question. This is your equation first. Here you can find the value of this A. आप A की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हो 6 minus 2n, और you can write, अगर मुझे n की वैल्यू बतानी है then you know that 6 minus A upon 2. So you can apply this value or this value. What is your SN? In this question, SN is minus 14. So SN is minus 14. I am telling you n upon 2 of A plus AN equals to minus 14. Okay. N is, n, I mean n in terms of this, आप n की वैल्यू या फिर A की वैल्यू आप पुट कर सकते हो. So मैंने n की वैल्यू नहीं पुट करी. I am putting the value of this A. 6 minus 2n. Okay. Plus, what is your AN? AN is given 4 equals to minus 14. So n upon 2, 6 plus 4, which is 10 minus 2n equals to minus 14. Okay, when you will transpose this 2 to this side, okay, 14 2s are, so you can write 10 minus 2n equals to 14 to the 28. Here you have 10n minus 2n square equals to minus 28. What is common? What you can common? I mean, जब भी common ले सकते हो. 2 is
2n.
yeah, 2 5s are 10 minus n square equals to minus 28. Okay, this 28 is cancelled by 14. So you have equation. What do you have equation? When you will transpose this to right hand side, so you can make this like n square n जो माइनस और पॉजिटिव में चेंज हो जाएंगे, and this positive sign will change into negative, so 5n, and इसको मैंने RHS में ही लिखा, so this will minus 14. Now it is making an equation of this quadratic, right? So you will find here the value of n by applying the splitting the middle term of method. So अगर उस method को apply करते हो, so you can find out the value of this n. Now you tell me, what should I write after this? You know that there is 1 here, and 1 into 14, 14. 7 2s are 14, and 7 minus 2, 5 you are getting. So you can write this, my n square, अगर आप इसको लिखोगे, you know that 7 2, 7 2 I'm just converting into, मैं इसको स्प्लिट कर रही हूँ 7 and 2 के फॉर्म में, तो 7 2 जो 14, फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट का आपका मल्टीप्लीकेशन भी है, और इसको माइनस करने पे क्या फाइंड करोगे, दिस 5n. सो n स्क्वायर माइनस 7n plus 2n, because plus minus minus 5n minus 14 equals to 0. What is common? N is common, n minus 7 plus 2 is common, n minus 7. Okay, so here n minus 7 and next value is n plus 2. This n plus 2 will give you negative value. ये जो आपकी वैल्यू आएगी ये -2 आएगी, बट अगर n minus 7 की वैल्यू फाइंड करोगे, this will give you in positive. So obviously number of terms we can't take in negative. So the value of number of terms जो होंगे वो कितने होंगे, 7 होंगे. This n is 7. A now. Okay, this is your n, and how could you find the value of this a? You have taken this equation, so now a is 6 minus 2n. You can put this value here, 2 into 7. Now you tell me, 2 into 7, 6 minus 14 क्या होंगे?
8.
Minus 8, exactly. So did you understand, Diksha? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Question number 4 I am talking about. Muskan has asked this question. Same exercise, 5.3. And the question is how many terms? The question is how many terms? Terms पूछा है, it means and we have to find out. Okay, पहले आपको समझनी है question. How many terms of the EP? I'm telling you, showing you the question. How many terms of this EP? This is your EP. Must be taken to give us sum of this. It means this is your sum, Sn. This is your A. Your D is, you know that 17 minus 9, 8. We have to find N. So firstly, जो given होते हैं आप उसको लिखोगे. What is your given? Sn is given, which is 636. Your A is given. Your AP. What is your AP? AP is your So what is your A here? A is 9. आपकी जो AP है वो है 9, 17, 25. This is your A, 9. Your D will be 17 minus 9, 8. 25 minus 17, 8. It means your D is 8. Okay. You have to apply this SN formula because आपको n बतानी है, and you know that SN में जो वैल्यू होंगे वो सारी वैल्यू गिवन है, तो आपको n की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हो. n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I'm applying the sum formula. Sn is given, so you can write in place of this value. N is not given, n को आप n रहने दोगे as it is. Your a is given 9, so 2 into 9 plus n minus 1, and your d is 8. 636 into 2. What should I write? 1272. Yes. So
Yes.
n 18 plus 8n. You can write here 8n minus 8. So This 18 minus 8, 10 plus 8n, and this is your 1272. Okay. So this is here when you will multiply with this and 10 and 8 and को जब आप 10 n से multiply करोगे 10n plus 8n square. Okay, and this is 1272. When you will transpose this thing to right hand side, you can write like as quadratic equation 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 equals to 0. Okay, now you can take this. I mean, अगर आपको इसको इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करनी है जैसे अभी हमने जस्ट अभी सॉल्व किया स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म से सेम वैसे ही आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे. बट हियर इफ समथिंग इज कॉमन, अगर कुछ भी कॉमन उसमें निकल रहे हैं फाइंड हो रहे हैं देन आपको कॉमन पहले लेनी है बिकॉज वो इक्वेशन शॉर्ट हो जाते हैं, आपको रिड्यूस करनी है. सो आई एम टेकिंग दिस हियर 2 is common in all, so you can take 2 common. 4n square plus 5n. Similarly, यहाँ पे जो होंगे अब क्या होंगे 636. So you have equation 4n plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. Okay. Now Muskan, you have to just by splitting the middle term, right? Or by factorization, you can find out the value of n. आप n की value find कर लोगे. Question में n पूछ रहा है. Muskan, did you understand this question? Okay, Muskan. Just 1 minute. Again, I am telling this question. Your AP is given, okay? This is your AP. This is your AP, okay? So in this AP, and your sum of this AP is given, which is 636. It's completely जो इस AP की sum करोगे, which is also given 636. तो हमने पहले जो given points थे, वो सारी value हमने लिखी. SN is given 6. So your SN is given here. We have value of this A, which is 9. Your D is 8. And the question is asking how many terms are possible when the sum is 636 of this AP, 9, 17, 25, and so on. So it means by applying this, as we know that only one unknown variable is not given. Then that is n. So if n की value given नहीं है and all the values are given, so we can, with the help of this formula of sum, we can find out. So we have just applied this formula of sum and we are reaching at our equation 4n plus 5n minus 636. Okay, this is your equation. So इस quadratic equation को भी क्या करनी है आपको solve करनी है. इस quadratic equation को जब आप solve करोगे, okay, now you tell me 4 and 636 को आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आप क्या फाइंड करोगे. आपको अगर ये फैक्टराइज करनी है तो 53 and 48. I am telling you 53 and 48. When you will multiply with this 636 and 4 and उसकी LCM लोगे तो 53 and 48. अगर मैं इन दो नंबर को लेती हूँ and मैं subtract करती हूँ, so we can get this 5. Okay, 53 minus 48, we will get this 5, and 53 into 48, that will equal to the sum of this 4, sorry, product of this 4 and 636. It means we can write here 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equals to 0. Okay, we have equation 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equals to 0. What is common here? N is common, so you can take 4n plus 53. Next is what is common in between. 12 is common, okay? So 12 is common, you can write 4n plus 53. Because minus अगर common लोगे तो ये sign किसमें change होंगे? Plus में होंगे. You have two values n minus 12 and next one is 4n plus 53. Okay, it means n minus 12 equals to 0 and next one is 4n plus 53 equals to 0. Here we are getting value of n which is minus 53 upon 4, and in this equation we are getting plus 12. So I have just told you number of terms. When the question is being asked like find the number of terms, what is the possible number of terms, so it can never be in negative sign or in fraction. आपको number of terms का मैं simply mean बताती हूँ. Can you count in negative your I mean your batchmate जो आपकी class में जितने भी हैं, क्या उसको negative में count कर सकते हो? There are -4 students. Can you tell it? No. क्या आप उसको डेसिमल में बता सकते हो? नहीं. क्या आप उसको बोल सकते हो मैम there are 0 number of students in my class? That also you can't tell. It means neither you can take 0 nor you can take decimal or fractional value. So it means this is not the possible value of this n. It means what is the possible value of n, which is 12. So your number of terms will be 12. Then you will find the sum of your first complete जो उसकी sum होगी वो 636 होगी. Now you got it, Muskan? Yes, Muskan, I'm asking, please tell yes or no. Okay. Now question number 10. Yes, question number 10 is important because we have to show that A1, A2, A3 dot AN form an AP. Okay, the question I am showing you, this is your question. So that A1, A2, AN form an AP. We have to show that this forms an AP. Okay, it means we have to find A1, A2. हमें सिर्फ AP की series form करनी है. Where AN is defined, so AN is defined as below, which is given in terms of 3 plus 4n. When we have found this A1, A2, A3 and so on, then we have also to find this the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. It means जब आप AP series बना लोगे तो आपको इसकी sum भी find करनी, sum of first 15 terms. Okay, in this question as well as in second question also. So I'm taking this question. This is the question number 10. Your AN is given in terms of 3 plus 4n. Okay. When your value of this n I am taking 1. Because आपको क्या find करनी है? A1, A2 find करनी है. तो अगर मैंने n की value 1 ली, then we can write this A1. Okay. 3 plus 4 into n की value हमने कितनी ली है? 1. So 3 plus 4, 7. So what is your A1? A1 is 7. Similarly, you will take this value of n is 2, right? So n की value जो हमने 2 ली, so A2 equals to 3 plus 4 into 2. 4 2 is 8 plus 3, 11. पहले आप multiply करोगे and then add करोगे. So A2 is 11. Similarly, जो A3 होंगे वो क्या होंगे? 3 plus 4 into 3. So A3 equals to 4 3 is 12 plus 3. 15. Okay, it means what is your AP that you are making? Your AP is 7, 11, 15 and so on, right? This is your AP that you have formed. So 11 minus 7. Now tell me, you can check here, is this right AP or not? Because its common difference should be same. Yeah, 4. 15 minus 11, 4. It means what we are getting as AP, which is absolutely correct. And now after finding this AP, we have to find the sum of first 15 terms in this case. So sum of 15 terms, it means S15. You know that the formula n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Your n, tell me, what is your n? उसने अगर 15 terms find करने को बोला है तो n की value 15 होगी. If the question is asking about asking about 10 terms तो 10 होंगे. So ये 15 terms find करने को बोला है. So आपकी जो n होगी वो कितनी होगी? 15. 2 into your a is 7 plus 15 minus 1 and your d is 4. I am writing in terms of like ऐसे मैंने लिखा है, but आपको एक proper order में लिखनी है, not like this. आपको पहले लिखनी होगी कि after this here we have a 7, d equals to 11 minus 7, that is so, and then you will apply this formula. So 15 minus 2, 7 2s are 14 plus 14 into 4. 15 upon 2, 14 plus 14 into 4, 56. This question number 9. Okay, this is so 15 upon 2 into, so 70, 35. It means 35 into 15. We will multiply. That is your answer of this sum of first 15 terms. Did you get it, Muskan? Question number 10. Yeah, and this question is this question has been asked, I mean, so many times, 3-4 times at least, तो पेपर में आ चुके हैं ये बोर्ड में.
Yes, ma'am.
This is question number 9. Okay, question number 9, I'm telling you, this. And please, apart from these all skills, those who is asking, I'm asking from right like Ragini, Sapna. अगर आपके पास भी कोई डाउट है, हासिल, दिव्या, दीपांशु, you can also ask here, Aryan. So question number 9 is, if the sum of first 7 terms, it means what is given? S7, which is 49. Okay, S7. पहले जो given है आप वो लिखो. Question number 9, sum of first 7 terms of an EP is 49. So sum of first 7 terms of an EP is 49. We have written this according to the statement. Now that of 17 terms is 289. Here the question is that of yeah, here the sum of first 7 terms of an EP is 49 and that of 17 terms. So here the statement is slightly different. Why? Because some students can understand this statement like sum दे रखा है 17 terms. Okay, but जो आपकी 17 terms है वो क्या given है? AN 289. Okay, find the sum of n terms. आपको क्या find करनी है? SN find करनी है. So here you can find out the equation. So S7 means 7 upon 2, 2A plus 7 minus 1, 6D equals to 49. Okay, 7 7 ja 49, 2A plus 6D equals to 7 into 2. 2 is common here, so you can take this 7 into 2. This 2 cancelled. A plus